One reused password or one wrong click on a fake link, that's often all it takes for someone to get into your life. The good news, a few simple habits make you a very hard target. You don't need to be techie for this. Claude can be your plain English security coach, explaining every step like a patient friend so protecting yourself finally feels doable instead of scary. Step 1, the single biggest upgrade, a password manager. It creates a strong, unique password for every account and remembers them for you. You memorize one good master password, it does the rest. For the few you actually type, longer beats complicated. A passphrase, 4 or 5 random words strung together, is easy to remember and brutally hard to crack. Length is what really stops the guessing. Step 2. Turn on two-factor authentication. That second code after your password. Even if someone steals your password, they're stuck without it. It's the best 5 minutes you'll ever spend on security. Don't boil the ocean. Protect the crown jewels first, your email and your bank. Your email is the master key that can reset everything else, so lock those two down before anything else. Next, find out if you're already exposed. Free tools let you check whether your email turned up in a known data breach. Anything that shows up, change that password right away and never reuse it. Step 3. Learn to spot a scam. The red flags are almost always the same: urgency, a link to click, and a demand to verify now. Anytime a message is rushing you, that's your cue to slow down. So here's the golden rule. Don't click links in surprise texts or emails. If your bank needs you, don't tap their link. Open the app yourself or type the address in. Go direct every single time. Their number one trick is pressure. Act now or your account closes. Real companies don't work that way. When something screams urgent, that's exactly when you pause. 10 calm seconds defeats most scams. If your bank, a government agency, or even a panicked family member contacts you, verify it. Hang up and call back using the official number from their website or your card, not the one they gave you. This one's non-negotiable. No legitimate company will ever ask for your password, and nobody should ever need the two-factor code that's texted to you. Anyone who asks for either is trying to rob you. Full stop. Those update reminders you keep dismissing? They mostly patch security holes the bad guys already know about. Turn on automatic updates for your phone and computer and you're protected while you sleep. A couple of small habits: be careful doing banking on public Wi-Fi and share a little less online. Birthdays, pet names, home details are the exact clues used to guess passwords and answer security questions. Here's how AI fits in safely. Ask Claude to explain two-factor, to check a suspicious message for red flags, or to build you a checklist. But never paste your passwords, codes, or account numbers into it. Learn from it, don't hand it your secrets. Then pass it on. Scammers love to target older parents and grandparents. Spend 10 minutes helping them turn on two-factor and talk through the red flags. It could save them their savings and a world of stress. Finally, make it a habit. Once a year, do a quick security checkup on your important accounts. Ask Claude for a simple checklist. A few minutes a year keeps you a step ahead of the people trying to get in. The payoff is peace of mind. With a password manager, two-factor on, and a nose for scams, you go from an easy target to a genuinely hard one. And that quiet, I'm protected feeling is worth everything. So, 5 moves. Use a password manager, turn on two-factor, never reuse or share a password, pause on anything urgent, and keep your devices updated. Tomorrow, we take a big goal and turn it into a simple 30-day plan you'll actually finish. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool, I'll see you then.